Welcome to Diamond Solutions for Mathematics. Now, here we are discussing the questions related to trigonometry, that means 12th standard inverse trigonometric functions. Here is an equation to solve. Solve the equation tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x equals n pi plus 3 pi by 4, n belongs to z. This is an inverse trigonometric equation to solve. Let us see. Tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x equals n pi plus 3 pi by 4, n belongs to z. Tan inverse a plus tan inverse b, tan inverse a plus b by 1 minus a, that is tan inverse 2x plus 3x by 1 minus 2x into 3x. But one thing, 2x into 3x equals 6x squared, that is less than 1. That is the meaning. Therefore, we can consider like this. That is the special feature here. Equals n pi plus 3 pi by 4. That is tan inverse 5x by 1 minus 6x squared equals n pi plus 3 pi by 4. 2x plus 3x 5x. 2x into 3x 6x squared. 1 minus 6x squared. That is tan inverse 5x by 1 minus 6x squared equals n pi plus 3 pi by 4. That is 5x by 1 minus 6x squared equals tan inverse transposed towards here as tan of n pi plus 3 pi by 4. That is tan inverse n pi plus 3 pi by 4. When we evaluated, we get tan 3 pi by 4. Tan 3 pi by 4 equals minus 1. Therefore, 5x minus by 1 minus 6x squared equals minus 1. 5x by 1 minus 6x squared equals minus 1. This, when evaluated, we get minus 1. Therefore, 5x equals, when this cross multiplied, we get 6x squared minus 1. Minus 1 into 1 minus 6x squared, positive 6x squared minus 1. That is 5x equals 6x squared minus 1. When 5x is transposed towards RHS, we get 6x squared minus 5x minus 1 equals 0. When 5x is transposed towards RHS, it becomes minus 5x. Therefore, 6x squared minus 5x minus 1 equals 0. Then we can consider this to be a quadratic equation. Then the solution is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. That is minus b, that is minus 5 minus of minus 5 plus 5. Plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. b square minus 5 the whole square 25 plus minus 4ac minus 4 into a 64 into c plus 24. So 5, that is 4 into a 6 into 4 24 into minus 1 minus 24 into minus 1 plus 24. Therefore, root of 25 plus 24 by 2a. 2a means 2 into 6, 12. That is 5 plus or minus root 49. Root 49 is 7. That is 5 plus or minus 7 by 12 equals minus 6 or minus 1. Minus 6, 5 plus 7 by 12 is 12 by 12, 1. And 5 minus 7 by 12 means minus 2 by 12, that is 1 minus 1 by 6. That are the values here. X equals minus 1 by 6. Then 6x squared equals 6 into minus 1 by 6 the whole square. That is 1 by 6 less than 1. If x equals 1, then we get 6x squared. That is x equals minus 1 by 6. That when evaluated here, we get a 6x squared equals 6 into minus 1 by 6 the whole squared equals 1 by 6 less than 1. X equals 1, then 6x squared equals 6 into 1 squared equals 6, not less than 1. Hence the solution is x equals minus 1 by 6. Here 6x squared less than 1. That is the value here. 6x squared is less than 1. Therefore, we can agree this value. This cannot be agreed. 1, 6 greater, less, not less than 1. That's all. Subscribe Diamond Solutions for Mathematics.